Hi everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Heart Aura Premium Plant Stand from Amazon. So I purchased these to enhance the interior of my house. They come as a pair in square shape with a height of about 5.5 inches and a width of 10 inches. They are just the right size, not too big, not too small, and exactly what I was looking for. The plant stand is made of metal and I'm really impressed with the build quality. They are powder coated, giving them a smooth and matte finish, and they are made of waterproof and rust free materials. They are also lightweight and easy to lift with bushes on the bottom to prevent slipping. You can use them on your balcony, in your garden, or inside your house for your indoor plants. So these stands are incredibly strong. They can even support your weight if you stand on them. They are so versatile that you can also use them as tools. So overall, I'm delighted with my purchase. They not only provide sturdy support for my plants, but also give a stylish look to my room. So if you're looking for a plant stand, I highly recommend this one. So give it a try.